about 7 grand. That's what the average caveman still owes on a truck he's already trying to get rid of. Shiny's sunk into something he doesn't even want anymore, and it's hiding under most of the loudest trucks in the lot. The caveman behind the wheel usually has no idea it's there. There's a money trap built into how cavemen buy trucks now. Most people think trading the truck in clears it. It does the opposite. Every trade makes it bigger. So today Og runs the truck test. Start with how a caveman ends up that deep on a truck he's done with. You buy it. About 66,000 shinies for the average full-size one. Not the loaded dream trim, the average one. Almost nobody pays that in cash, so it gets financed. And to fit a payment that big into a monthly budget, the loan gets stretched long. 7 years is normal now. Then two things happen at once, and neither one feels like a mistake. You put less down than cavemen have in years, starting with almost no cushion. And the truck loses value fastest in its first couple years, exactly when you've barely touched the balance. The truck falls one way while the loan barely creeps down the other, so you don't have to do anything wrong. 2-3 years in, the truck's worth less than what's left on the loan. You owe more than you own. There's a word for that. Underwater. Now watch what happens when you go to trade it in. That gap doesn't vanish, and it's bigger than most cavemen guess. The average underwater trade-in is 7,183 shinies in the hole. The dealer doesn't eat it. You do. It gets rolled straight into the loan on your next truck. So you drive off in a new ride with the old truck's debt already baked inside it. You're paying for 2 trucks and driving 1. That first loan didn't die when you handed the keys back. It climbed into the new truck like a stowaway and kept charging you interest from the back seat. And it lands in the payment. Roll a gap forward and you're paying about 932 shinies a month. 160 more than the caveman who bought clean. Every month, for the exact same truck. And this isn't some rare horror story. Right now, almost 1 in 3 trade-ins is underwater. If there's a truck in your driveway worth less than the loan on it, that's not bad luck. That's a third of us. That's the loud caveman's real position. Not rich. Underwater. Here's the part most cavemen never see. You'd think the damage is just that 160 a month. It's worse, because of what stretching the loan does to you. To make the bigger payment fit, the term gets pushed out. A loan with rolled-in debt runs about 77 months. A clean one runs about 70. Those extra months are extra time of the truck keeps losing value faster than you pay it down. So when you go to trade this one, you're underwater again. Buy more. And you pay for the privilege, about 6,000 more shinies in interest over the life of that loan than the clean buyer ever hands over. So the loop doesn't just repeat. Each turn pushes the loan longer, digs the hole deeper, and charges you more to climb out. That's why the loudest caveman in the lot usually isn't one good year from rich. He's just deeper in than last time. Now, a truck isn't a sin. Pay cash or let a work truck earn more than it costs, and the test passes clean. Here's the check, and it's easiest before you sign, not after. Standing in the lot, ask yourself why you want it. If the honest answer is anything but I need one, or it'll pay for itself. If any part of it is how it'll look out there, that's the look talking. And the look is the one thing in the whole deal that never pays you back. So the real test isn't whether you have the truck, it's whether the truck has you. So here's the truck test in this quarter's numbers. Almost a third of trade-ins, underwater right now. The average one, 7 grand in the hole, on a longer loan, bleeding more interest every mile of the way. The loud truck was never the win. It was the loan, wearing a truck. Next time the chrome catches your eye, run the test in your head. Who's holding shinies and who's holding a payment? If Og just made the loudest truck in the lot look a little less impressive, join the tribe. We'll run the next one together.